Hi everyone! I'm just going to give a minute for people to join. I hope everyone's having a good Wednesday so far. I think we've got a good amount of people now. So hi everyone, welcome. Welcome back if you've tuned in before. This is Cooking Together with My Food and Family. It's an Instagram and Facebook Live series that's designed to equip us with the knowledge and skills to conquer our kitchen and make cooking fun. My name is Lauren Bear. I'm on the Kraft Heinz culinary team. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we have a really fun recipe for you. It's something that really screams summer to me. I don't know about you, but when I think about summer, I think of like going to ice cream shops and being outside. And today we're gonna make a rolled ice cream. So it's a strawberry cheesecake rolled ice cream. And the great part about it is that it's made with just a few ingredients that you might already have on hand at home. And you don't need any special equipment. So it's a really fun, easy way that you can really impress your friends and your family and make ice cream at home and enjoy summer all the time. And I'm also gonna show you a way that you can pack it all up and be outside with it just like you would from your favorite ice cream shop. So let's get started. So really, the base of this recipe is made with two ingredients to make your ice cream base. So the first ingredient is heavy whipping cream. It's really important to use heavy whipping cream and not just a regular whipping cream because the heavy cream is higher in saturated fat, and that creates that really soft texture that allows you to roll the ice cream. So I'm adding a cup into my bowl here. Cup of heavy whipping cream. And our second ingredient, main base ingredient, is sweetened condensed milk. This I have half a cup. And at this point, you've got your base for your ice cream. So we've got a few other recipes on My Food and Family. We have a Rocky Road one that uses chocolate and marshmallows and pecans. We've got a orange cream one that uses tang and mixes in some waffle cones. So at this point that you have your base, you can really be creative with it and make what you want with it and customize it to what your family likes. So we're gonna make a strawberry cheesecake one today. But let's say you loved like mint chocolate chip. I think if you added a little mint extract and some chocolate chips in there, that would be really great. So, if you wanted like a cookies and cream, you could add some chopped up crushed like chocolate sandwich cookies. Those would be really great too. So be creative with whatever your family likes. So to create our mix-ins, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Philadelphia cream cheese, and these are softened. So I've just had these cut up pretty in smaller cubes so that they can blend into my base pretty easily. And they've just been sitting on the counter for about an hour. Luckily it's really warm out today, so it doesn't take that long for them to soften up. And I'm just mixing this to try to get some of the lumps out, but if you have some lumps of your cream cheese still in here, that's okay. It's just gonna give you some more texture once you make your ice cream. You're gonna be able to bite into some nice chunks. So however you like your ice cream, okay? And then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of some diced strawberries. I don't know about you where you live, but I live in Chicago and strawberries are just about to come into season here. So I'm really excited. So this will be a fun one to make. Our last ingredient are 2 graham crackers. And what I like to do is just they have to be coarsely crushed. So I like to just put them in a bag like this, and you can really like get your anger out on it or take out any aggression you want, or you can just break them up this way too. But it's a nice clean way of doing it, and you don't have to be perfect with it, just so you get size chunks that you like. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna dump my graham crackers in here. Okay, and we'll give this a stir just to combine. Okay, so this is how it looks. You can see. The next thing we're gonna do is, this is a 15 by 10 inch pan. It's a jelly roll pan. And all you're gonna do is pour your mixture into the pan. So I don't know if anyone's ever heard of rolled ice cream before, but it started, I think, in Thailand, and it's known as stir-fried ice cream. So kind of like you're used to getting a stir-fry with a hot surface, they do it the opposite, where they'll make your ice cream on a really, really cold surface right before your eyes. And so it's like one of the most fresh ice creams you can get. So I'm just gonna spread this around till it's evenly dispersed. You can kind of see, I don't wanna move it around too much. But all we're gonna do is freeze this. It freezes for about 5 hours, and then we'll take it out and roll it. Now, luckily, I already made some ahead of time, so we can look at that one, but this is all you need. You don't need any special equipment. You don't need an ice cream machine to get really great ice cream. So let me grab the frozen one that we have. This is what it comes looking like out. Now, obviously, I took some pieces out to show you, but you want to work with it pretty quickly. What I've found is, since it's a very thin mixture, it can start to melt quickly. But the nice thing about this is you can make it up to 24 hours in advance. You can even roll your pieces and put them on a sheet tray or a baking sheet and put it in your freezer so that they kind of hold their shape and they're ready to eat whenever you want. So now we're gonna cut and roll our ice cream. This is like the fun part, right? So all I have here is just a paring knife, and I'm going to measure about a 2.5 inch wide strip. And I'm just taking my knife down the pan. Get it started on one of these edges. And create my strip. And then I've got a spatula, metal spatula. This one's a thin one. I think it's called a brownie spatula on Amazon. But I'm just going to take this and start to roll my ice cream. You can kind of see how it's rolling for me. Once you get the first edge done, it gets a lot easier. It's easier for me to do it with this pan down. And I'm just rolling it into a little strip. And at the end, you've got your nice rolled ice cream. I'll put it in my ice cream bowl. See if I can get it off my... Look how cute these ice cream bowls are with the spoons. I love them. So if you're ready to eat it, you can top it with a little bit of Cool Whip and make a little at-home sundae and really reinforce that strawberry cheesecake flavor. So just topping it with a little Cool Whip, and then some additional chopped strawberries or sliced strawberries, and then some graham cracker pieces. So all ready to eat and serve to your family. Yum. But I did want to show you, I'll leave that there, a way to take it outside and pack this up and make it ahead of time as well. So like I said, you can make this up to 24 hours ahead of time. And you can even pre-roll the ice cream so that it stays keeps it its nice rolled shape for you and it doesn't start melting on you. So we've just got this nice little picnic basket, picnic blanket, and what we've ordered are are these really great individual frozen containers that you can put your ice cream in. So I have already pre-rolled some in here, and I would just pack them up in my picnic basket. Of course, you want some napkins so you don't get super messy. And then just adding in some ice packs to make sure everything stays really cold. And you can pack this up and enjoy it in the park or outside, just like you would from your favorite ice cream place, or enjoy it with friends or family. So that's what we have today. I'm gonna see if we have any questions. Just give me 1 second. So somebody is asking if you could use a tub of cream cheese instead of brick. Yes, the cream cheese is really just for flavor. So even if you wanted to do, let's say you wanted a strawberry, you wanted to really reinforce that strawberry cheesecake flavor, you could even use our strawberry cream cheese soft flavor if you really wanted a strong strawberry flavor. But yeah, it's just for flavor. It doesn't matter what the format is. What other fruits pair well as toppings? So something else that's really in season right now is rhubarb. Strawberry and rhubarb would be great. Blueberries, peaches. What other things do we love? Cherries would be really good. It's really, the sky is the limit with whatever kind of fruits you like. Where did I get my Heinz mug? This is very cute, isn't it? So this is from our shop, on My Food and Family shop online. So you can actually, I think, order one of these for yourself. What is my favorite flavor of ice cream? So my favorite flavor would be, I've been really enjoying from my local place, it's a chocolate ice cream with peanut butter swirls in it and peanut butter cups. That is, I like the sweet salty balance, so that one is amazing. Let's see if there's anything else. I think I see one more question coming in. Are there toppings you suggest topping before packing versus topping when you're at the picnic? Oh, okay. Yeah, so you could add into these containers all of your, your Cool Whip and everything. I personally would keep everything separate and just add my toppings right before I'm gonna serve it. You add your strawberries, it might bleed, which is not a big deal, it's just a look. Your graham crackers are not gonna keep the same crunch that they would have. So yeah, I would try to, if you can, if you wanna do more of a sundae bar, keep your toppings separate in different containers and add them last minute, but it will still taste great if you add them in here first. It will still be delicious. All right, I think those are all the questions that we have for today. Everyone, thank you so much for joining. Make sure to tune in again on Friday. Sarah and Carla will be going live. They're making an everything bagel dip. So enjoy, and thanks everyone. Have a great Wednesday. Bye.